Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine.
Can you tell me about your work experience?
I have experience from Singapore 2 years as a nanny, and then I have experience also in Qatar as a nanny, infant and 2 years baby, and then here in UAE, 3 years all around maid.
What were your duties and responsibilities on that job, Singapore?
Around and then nanny.
Okay, as a nanny, what were your duties and responsibilities?
Take care of baby, feed the baby. I take a bath the baby.
What about
Okay.
in Qatar, the local family in Qatar?
The same procedure, ma'am. I take a bath the baby, take our baby, feed baby.
The family in Singapore, how many members are they in the family?
They are three family, but one baby only. Not the second and first is so big already.
The local family in Qatar, how many members are they in the family?
They are for only, ma'am. They are one infant baby, and then when I come is the first one baby is 9 month only, and then after when I come November is the my madam is she birth again the second one, one infant and the 9 month like.
Okay, how about your third employer, Jardinian family? What were your duties and responsibilities?
Only I help for cooking, and then I help for all around cleaning. No baby.
How many members are there in the family?
There are five,
And how old are the children?
20, 30, the all
Oh,
adult already.
how about your current job? What were your duties and responsibilities?
All is all around maid also, ma'am. I take her six car.
How many
I
members are there in the family?
four, four only. They are all is adult also. They are all going to
Okay.
work.
What do you usually do when you have free time?
Yeah, when I day off, I go and my family.
What do you like most about your previous employers?
Yeah, next also.
What do children like best about you?
Maybe my when I made the cooking for them.
How do you deal with kids feeling sad because they get separated from their parents?
Maybe I bring to place to play, and then maybe I give toys
Okay.
to make happy the baby. Maybe the baby is hungry too. I need to feed. Okay.
How do you discipline children?
Maybe when I discipline my children as my mother, I talk to them better. I talk to first to nicely what he did or don't do that like this. So
Okay. What activities do you love doing with kids?
when they maybe when they play or see movie like that.
What is your favorite task? Is it cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
Actually, I love cooking and I love baby also.
What type of food can you cook?
I cook chicken casserole, beef casserole, and then chicken with with ginger, fry.
In terms of childcare, how do you know if the child gets sick?
When maybe I afraid have fever like that, if the heart is baby like that, so I will maybe they have something wrong in the body.
What is the first thing that you will do when the child got sick?
So maybe I called to my employer first, and then I asked what I can do first.
What is
Okay,
your
ma'am.
first action when a child cries out loud?
I carry out the baby, and then I try to make a clam.
How many years do you want to work in UAE?
3 years, ma'am.
Why are you looking for a new employer?
I want to change employer because I want to find higher salary than my present salary.
How much is your basic salary expectation?
Three minimum 3,000 like that, ma'am. As a live out. Yeah.
Do you think you would be a good full-time maid or nanny?
Yeah.
Why? Can you tell me why?
Because I have two children, and then I have 4 years experience for as a nanny. So I'm sure for myself I know how to take care of baby.
Thank you so much for your time
Because
and nice talking to you.
okay, thank you, thank you.